Joining NCP and leaving Congress now?
It's an emotional day for me and my family, and I'm thankful to Ajit Pawar Dada, Praful Patel ji, Sunil Tatkare ji for believing me in these tough times, and I have got the nomination from Bandra East, and I'm sure that with the love and support of all the people, I will definitely win Bandra East yet again.
It's a tough time for you and your constituency, both and the family is facing tough time. So how do you expect Bandra East constituency and its people supporting you?
They've always been my pillar of strength, and they know the tough times that me and my family are facing, and it's needless to say that the entire all the people of Bandra East are with me, and the results will definitely reflect that.